Hey folks, Mace Baston with River Road Jet Boats. I'm here today to answer some more of y'all's questions. I've got 4 of our boats behind us, 2 of our currently available models, and 1 model that is widely anticipated we hope to bring to the market sometime soon after the first of the year. The boat directly behind me, this polished boat, is a 1648, 16 feet long, 48 inches wide at the base. It has a Mercury 6040 jet on the back. The boat directly next to that one is also a 1648, but this boat is a 9065. This is the largest power plant we offer on the 1648. The boat next to it with the wrap on it is a 9065 as well. Then down there on the end, we've got our widely anticipated 1760. Folks up north and out west, we hear you. We're working on it. You guys have had a lot of questions about fit and finish. This is a great example of fit and finish right here. The boat down there is bare aluminum. We can sell it to you bare aluminum. The one next to it is wrapped. Now we can do a full wrap on the boat. We think this product is great, super tough, and easy to replace. The next boat down is painted. That boat's pinstripes are painted on the boat. It is a custom paint job. We can do paint. We enjoy doing paint. The downside to paint is, of course, the durability. You got to take better care of it. And then down here at the end, really talk about taking care of something but looks absolutely beautiful, is this polished aluminum hull. This is this is the only boat we've done, but love the way it turned out. Think it looks really great. But as you can see, we have a lot of options on finishing out the exterior of the boat. All of these boats are going to have, including the end one, the same tough coat decking system. It's an aggregate spray on. It's a great product, super durable, UV resistant, stands up to the test of time. We've been really happy with it. They're, again, tough coat, great decking product. As far as other fit and finish details, you see a lot of these boats have got handles on them. Seat placement may be different. The boat right over here has got the casting bars. Deck outfitting options are unlimited. Folks, I want to talk to you a little bit about drifting. We got a lot of questions, a lot of customers calling about power drifters. Here's what I've found. I've designed several of them. We've tried them out. With the 6040 power plant, it is extremely difficult, if not impossible, to make a nimble boat capable of what we think of in a traditional drift boat. Primarily because we have this huge power plant on the stern and we don't have the ability to put any rocker on the stern. So when you see the oars on this boat, a lot of thought went into the design. This is our regular 1648 with oars on it. What we're running here is a 7-foot NRS shaft with the regular Cascade blade NRS oar locks, 8-inch. Thinking 7 feet was pretty short, but if you're setting up your power drifter with rowing all day in mind, you're missing the point. We have a motor on this boat. We have a trolling motor on this boat. When we are using our oars, we're going to be in shallow moving water. We are not going to be navigating rapids. That being said, the 7-foot oar shaft allows us to do a lot of things. Number one, we can set it up so that you can clear the console, but all your switches and ignition, throttle, everything's still right there. So when the operator is rowing the boat, he's got plenty of access to all the tools that he needs, and he can still row the boat, which is very important because you can't be moving from back here to up here to get back to your controls. What this boat is designed to do is drift shallow water, and it does it very well with the rower facing forward and just kind of picking his way downstream. All right, folks, y'all have had a lot of questions about the nozzle system, and you should. That's what separates our boats. People have been building amazing aluminum boats in the U.S. I mean, Glenn Wooldridge has been doing it for better than 75 years. There's a lot of technology out there that makes these hulls stout, but we're not the only ones who do that. What separates us is the nozzle. This boat here is a 6040. Currently the nozzle is not on it. This is prepped for nozzle, so our bracket's on there, ready to go on to the outboard jet's nozzle. There is no modification to the outboard jet. They've got a perfect system here to accept our product, so that's just what we do. We actually use the outboard jet hardware to mount the nozzle. The nozzle, of course, is there because of the acceptor plate. Now, the acceptor plate is a critical feature of this whole design because this is the roll cage for the foot. This is what allows us to do things in an outboard that have never been done before successfully anyways. This is 1/4 inch cold rolled steel. It's formed into the tunnel. It is a replaceable part. I don't think we'll see a lot of replacements given it is 1/4 inch cold rolled steel. This bar here you'll only see on our 60/40. It's called the money bar. It is a replaceable breakaway bar, but in open water, lakes, that sort of thing, it's a nice little trim tab, not needed on the 9065, excuse me. So once again, folks have been building wonderful boats, aluminum boats. People have been putting plastic on boats. The thing that makes our boat unique is the nozzle. This system allows the outboard jet to be so much more capable and durable. Just a couple of bullet points: we're reducing cavitation by 70 to 80%. That's both in open water and in the turns. The ability to run in shallow water without damaging the foot opens more doors than we can all imagine. The serviceability, having the capabilities of an inboard jet in an outboard jet. On the serviceability end, this motor is much easier to maintain and is going to have typically a longer service life because of that. All right, so here we are behind a 9065 and we've got the nozzle on the boat. You can see the acceptor plate down there. Again, the 9065 does not have the money bar. Moving back up to the nozzle, using the outboard jet's mounting hardware, we mount the nozzle directly over the outboard jet's factory nozzle. This controls steering. There is an option for manual control of trim. We haven't seen a purpose yet in having it be anything more than a future option, perhaps. As you can see, the nozzle is very robust. It consists of 3 pieces. They're all machined out of solid aluminum. As far as the reverse bucket and the reverse bucket mechanics are concerned, that's all outboard jets. We just modify the reverse bucket and do a little bit of modifying on the reverse bucket bracket. In a nutshell, our steering and reverse system are on our own bracket. It's a 1-piece bracket that mounts to the nozzle, ensuring fewer moving parts, long-term reliability. Again, I can't stress the importance of the nozzle and how the nozzle separates us from the rest of the field. This gives us the ability to be the toughest outboard jet boat setup in the market, period. And we're able to say that because our foot and our pump are protected, and we're the only ones that can offer that. Folks, I'm standing in front of our 1760. A lot of folks have been asking about this boat. Folks not in Virginia, we hear you guys up north and out west. Here it is. The 1760 is going to be available with up to a 150 on it. We're going to offer it with the 115/80. This boat is going to be available with the 3/16 inch bottom or an 1/8 inch bottom. All of our hulls are 50/86, and we do start from a flat sheet and build up from there. We are expecting to have this boat out sometime after the first of the year. We apologize for the delay, but we've been busy delivering 1648s. This widely anticipated boat, though, is the exact same layout as our 1648. It's going to be a center console mirroring of that deck layout. It is just going to be 1 foot wider, 1 foot longer, and carry a little extra power. Folks, I really appreciate you taking the time to watch our video and learn more about our product. Whether you're into fishing and hunting, or this is a commercial application, law enforcement, fire rescue, surveying, we've got the product for you. If you're looking for tough, durable, reliable transportation in an otherwise unhospitable environment, that's what we specialize in. Folks, the proof's in the pudding. If you have questions or want to see one of our boats, make an appointment with us. Call us at 434-846-8823 or contact us via email, riverroadjetboats.com. Come by. We'll put you in the boat and put you on the water and show you what we're all about.